What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering two new job leads that I came across. These are two new job leads where you can make upwards of $29 per hour working from home remotely. So one job is going to earn you around $29 per hour, and the other position is going to be going into six figures per year, so you can earn a lot more there. But again, two new work from home jobs that you can do remotely that can make you upwards of $29 per hour. Now, if you are looking for a remote work from home job, primarily a full-time remote work from home job, a part-time job, or even a flexible schedule or a overnight remote work from home job, you want to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel, this channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting brand new job leads every single day. These are brand new jobs, brand new companies that I've never covered before. And the aim here is to post these job leads within 24 hours of them becoming available, so you have the best opportunity to apply before anyone else does. Because as you guys know, sometimes I post these job leads and by the time you get around to applying, the job listing is pulled because there were so many applicants. And this happens in this very competitive job market because there are a lot of overqualified and also well qualified people that are applying for just about every single type of job that goes live. So recently I covered some jobs here like overnight jobs or 7 easy remote jobs that you can do overnight that don't require a degree. And I covered where you could find these jobs as well. Also, I covered other jobs like a case processing analyst, which could make you around $30 per hour working from home remotely. If you're outside the US or Canada, I have covered worldwide jobs as well, like a tech support specialist job pays $26 per hour. Also, I covered other jobs like data entry jobs, and there are a lot of customer service jobs that I cover as well, as those are usually the most popular type of remote work from home jobs. But I have found customer support jobs which didn't require you to be on the phones, where you could do either email support or live chat, but you really didn't need to be on the phones. So again, if you're looking for a remote work from home job, primarily full-time, part-time, or even overnight or flexible schedule, this is the channel that you want to be subscribed to. And you also want to tap the notification bell here. That way you never miss out when I post updates on this channel. So with that covered, let's dive right into today's job lead. So first job lead is going to be a technical support specialist. It's at this company called Knack. You probably never heard about this company before, but I'll go through a review of this company in just a bit. But they're currently looking for a technical support specialist, and you can work from anywhere in the world. So this is for an international contractor. Ideally, they want someone in North America because mostly they operate in the Eastern time zone. But if you're outside the US and you can work in the Eastern time zone, then you can still apply for this job. Now, just to give you some more info on this company, Knack is and has always been a 100% remote company. And so you can work from just about anywhere. Now, in this particular role, you will be, as it says here, become an expert in how our product works and provide direct support to our support team. You'll investigate escalated technical issues and leverage internal resources and tools to resolve those issues. You'll reproduce bugs and translate them into bug reports. You'll assist with migrations and work with the engineering team to identify solutions for reducing app complexity for customers. And also, you'll create internal team resources and tools to help more quickly troubleshoot and resolve technical issues. Now, as for who they're looking for here, they're looking for a technical troubleshooter. So they want someone that is experienced in investigating and troubleshooting technical issues for a software or SaaS product, primarily with basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript, help desk experience, and APIs. Those would be a bonus. Also, they want someone who is tenacious, that doesn't quit, and wants to solve problems. Also, someone that is detail oriented. Also, as I say here, eats complexity for breakfast. Knack is a complex product with open-ended user flows, so anything can happen and often does. No problem will be the same, and you'll see something new every single day. Also, an excellent written communicator who is able to break down complex topics or issues into easy to understand steps. Always on the lookout for ways to improve things. If you enjoy finding ways to make complex issues easier or more efficient or less frustrating for the team. And if you're also able to or willing to advocate for and implement those changes, also hungry for meaningful work and the space to do it. Now, as for benefits for this job, again, it's a worldwide remote position, but you get paid corporate retreats. So they get together often at amazing locations to do normal human things in person, as they say. They pay for your flight, lodging, and meals. So it's kind of like a trip. Some companies do this once a year. They'll go to some exotic location somewhere around the world, and you get to hang out with your coworkers and have fun. Also, learning credits. Annual allowance is provided to stay on top of your game with classes, books, and conferences. Also, they provide a referral bonus. So if you know some other people that you think are great and would be a good fit for this company, then you can refer them, and once they get hired, then you get a referral bonus. Also, workstation allowance. So they help you with your home workspace. So they offer an allowance to help you purchase tools that you need to set up your home workspace, because this is a 100% remote work from home job. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you can go ahead and apply right here, and I'll leave the link down below for this. Now, I want to cover another position at this company, which is also a remote position, but also keep in mind that this was an international position. So again, if you're not inside the US or Canada, you can still apply to this job as long as you're able to work during the Eastern Standard working hours. Now, the next position they had here was an engineering manager. This one is US only, US remote, so not an international position. And in this role, you'll be building and leading a world-class software development team that executes and delivers. You'll collaborate with product and design teams to navigate trade-offs between user impact, implementation, and time to value. Dive deep into data persistence challenges, drive innovative problem solving and challenging SaaS engineering problems, improve the quality and confidence of a complex code base with tests, audits, and performance metrics. Be an inspiring and supporting teammate by participating in rigorous code reviews. Now, this job isn't beginner friendly. You definitely need some experience here. So what they're requiring here is someone that has 10+ years of experience in shipping enterprise grade SaaS products, with at least 2 years of experience in the engineering manager role. Also, someone that has experience leading complex projects from start to finish, someone that has experience in collaborating with project management to clarify requirements, scope work, and lead teams. Also, demonstrated experience in defining and evolving engineering processes to help teams scale, excels in mentoring and motivating engineers, experience with security tooling and security by design principles. So these are just some of the requirements here. So you definitely have to be an engineering manager or had a previous role where you were an engineering manager for this to be a good fit for you. But still, another good opportunity here. It is remote in the US, and this job pays quite a bit. They do offer the same benefits here. The only thing different is the other job that didn't mention health care or 401k or unlimited PTO. And this is most likely because this was an international role. So if you're going to be a contractor and also international, or you're going to work outside the US, then most companies don't provide you with health care or health benefits. Also, they don't provide you with a 401k plan. So this job does offer more. So here you get health, vision, dental. You also get a 401k plan. You get unlimited PTO, which is great, so you can take time off whenever you need it. So really good benefits here. Also, they do give the workstation allowance, but in addition to that, they provide you with a top of the line MacBook. So this could be a brand new MacBook to use. So again, if you were an engineering manager before, or you currently are one in that role, then this is a good job to apply to because it is remote and the benefits are very good. Now, you may have never heard about this company before, Knack, so I was able to find them on Glassdoor. Companies listed here, not really a lot of reviews, only 21 reviews, but it is overall rating here is 3.5 out of 5 stars, which is fairly well. The industry standard is around 3.9. Now, for these two jobs, First one was the technical support specialist, and the second job was the engineering manager. There wasn't any mention of the compensation, like the salary for these jobs. So there are 25 reported salaries here for this company on Glassdoor. So we could try to see if we could find salaries for any of these positions here. So there is a salary, one reported salary for a technical support specialist, makes anywhere from $42,000 to $62,000 per year. So that's fairly good. As for the other job, the engineering job, there wasn't any reported salaries for an engineering manager, but there were salaries for a full stack engineer and also a senior software engineer. So a full stack engineer is making on average $125,000, but this is based on only one salary submitted, so it may not be all that accurate. Senior software engineer, based on 3 salaries submitted, on average $121,000 per year. DevOps engineer, based on 2 salaries submitted, on average $102,000 per year. So I will say, if you're going to be an engineering manager here, you're going to be expecting to make slightly above these salaries. So it's well into 6 figures that we know, but we don't know the exact salary for any of these 2 jobs. So first one, I would say around $29 per hour, technical support specialist. And for the second job here, the engineering manager, I would say well into 6 figures, probably higher end 6 figures would be what you would make here. So these are 2 job leads for today. Also guys, I just posted another brand new job lead, or some brand new job leads, on my second channel, the work from home channel. So be sure to go over there, especially if you're looking for more entry-level or beginner friendly jobs, or jobs that have relaxed requirements where they don't require you to have, like 10 years of experience or a college degree. So check out the job listings that I just posted, which are new job leads as well. But just before you guys go, I just want to remind you quickly of the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be automatically discarded by the system, and actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So if you have a ATS optimized resume, then you'll definitely be able to land more job interviews, and in turn be able to have more job offers. So here you're getting 3 resume templates, professionally done resume templates optimized for the ATS system. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. This way you get to customize them while they still remain ATS compliant. So really good. Also, you get matching cover letters for these resume templates, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can customize these using Google Docs, which is also completely free. You don't have to pay for it. And I included a screen recording showing you guys exactly how you can go about editing these really quickly. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.